Hi, this is Jared from SavvySavingCouple.net. Today I'm here with the new Ryobi 3100 PSI pressure washer. This is brand new from Ryobi. This time it features a Honda engine that puts out 3100 PSI at 2.5 gallons per minute. So this right here is a mean pressure washer right here. Has a lot of nice features. So here's a soap dispenser right here, where you can fill it up with soap that's meant for pressure washers. It easily pops off, fill it up, close it up. Got a nice wand here. It's really nice and well built. It's all made out of metal here. It has a quick connect that fits in, comes out easy. You got soap jet, soap fan. You can switch from 0 degrees, which is a really sharp stream and really not useful for many things unless you want to remove material on like masonry. 25 degrees. This is some hard cleaning power right here with 25 degrees. This is if you're cleaning driveways or different masonry and you want to remove paint perhaps, or some moss that has grown on there. This works really well. And then you got 40 degrees. 40 degrees can work for most materials like wood, different types of masonry as well, and even perhaps for your car. The wand sits here nicely on the unit with this rest here, and it pops into place. So you can just let it rest on here when you're not using it. The high pressure hose coils right up on this hose coiler, so it keeps everything nice and neat while it's not in use. Also, when in off season or when you're not going to use it for a while, if you want to store it away, you take the wand right off. This you could disconnect. I'm just going to show you for an example. And this arm here, it folds down by pulling out this lever. And it folds down. So that way you can tuck it into some tight spaces and it doesn't take up much space. I'm going to go ahead and lift it back up. Snaps into place. Now it's locked. So, before I started shooting, I already assembled the pressure washer. All it was installing this hose reel right here with this screw and nut, and a screw and nut here, which also installs the rest for the wand. And the last piece that had to be installed was the clip right here for the nozzle. Really simple and easy and quick. And right in the box, the Ryobi pressure washer came with a bottle of oil, engine oil. So you don't have to go out and buy engine oil for it. It comes with it. Just grab it, open it up, and you pour the entire contents into the oil reservoir right down here. So I already did that before I started filming. Then I filled it with some gas, and we're good to go. So now I'll show you how it works and how easy it is to start up. So to demonstrate the effectiveness of the pressure washer, I have this panel of fence here that has grown some mildew and mold during the off season, during the winter and fall. So we're going to show you how easy it is to remove things like this with a new Ryobi pressure washer. Okay, so to start the pressure washer, it's really simple. First we can turn the engine to the on position. You make sure the fuel valve is also turn to open, and we pull the choke out to the start position. There's one thing to point out here is you notice that this engine air index is rated for 3, which is on a scale of 0 to 10. It's really close to the most clean. So you have a nice efficient engine here that's not too hard on the environment. So that's a big plus. So now I have that all set up. Let me show you how easy it is to start it. Now it started. The choke on. Apply some soap. I'll try it out for you. Okay, so you can see here, this is the section I cleaned, and this is the section that was still dirty. So I stopped right here, so you can see a difference. This is just one swipe with the pressure washer at, I had it set at 40 degrees, and took it right off, like really easy. So overall, the Ryobi pressure washer, 3100 PSI, 2.5 gallons per minute. Really easy to use, really easy to set up. It's quality built, it has a Honda engine, and it's just a really great machine. So you can purchase the Ryobi pressure washer at Home Depot stores nationwide or on HomeDepot.com. And if you want more information on the Ryobi pressure washer, go check out Ryobi's website, www.ryobitools.com. So this was Jared from SavvySavingCouple.net. Thank you for watching.